Ever wondered how handmade rat rods achieve razor-sharp steering under the intense pressure of drag racing? It all comes down to ingenuity and a deep understanding of mechanics. Builders often start with salvaged steering boxes from old pickups or classic sedans, carefully repurposing them to fit the unique frame and geometry of their rat rod. Custom linkages, frequently crafted from repurposed steel rods and heim joints, ensure every turn of the wheel is crisp, precise, and responsive. Many rat rod enthusiasts fabricate their own steering columns from exhaust tubing, adding personal flair with unique shifter knobs and welded brackets that reflect their style. The front-end geometry is meticulously dialed in, using DIY alignment tools and string setups, achieving the perfect balance between straight-line stability and agile handling. Some builders even incorporate quick ratio steering gears for lightning-fast input, crucial when blasting down the drag strip at high speeds. These creative, hands-on solutions prove that precision doesn't require expensive, high-dollar parts, just resourcefulness, mechanical skill, and an unyielding passion for speed and performance.